The three biggest misconceptions about hair transplantation are it's going to be painful, it's going to have a major disruption on my life, and the results are not going to look natural. My background in pain management is a real asset for you because I can do this procedure with relatively minimal pain, and our technique produces a post-operative course which is painless. You don't need pain medicines, just Tylenol and Motrin are fine. As far as disruption of your life goes, not a problem. We specialize in the Shave-Less FUE and in the art of concealment. And that concealment is key because you can go back to work and social activities almost immediately. Natural results are easy for us to obtain for you through our dedicated team approach and the fact that we are able to even move single hair follicles, especially to the frontal hairline. If you're concerned about getting a natural look with hair transplantation, we're all over it. We've got you covered.